Sikorsky, a division of Lockheed Martin, has introduced the highly anticipated Phase 4 main gearbox for the S-92 helicopter, marking a significant milestone in the evolution of commercial rotorcraft technology. This advanced system brings a host of improvements designed to enhance flight safety, operational efficiency, and reliability, particularly in high-risk environments. A key feature of the new gearbox is its innovative auxiliary lubrication system, which automatically activates in case of primary oil pressure failure, ensuring continued flight capability and reducing the risk of emergency landings. The integration of the auxiliary lubrication system within the Phase 4 gearbox represents a breakthrough in aviation safety. By mitigating the immediate need for an emergency landing when oil pressure is compromised, the system provides operators with the flexibility to reach a safe destination without jeopardizing flight integrity. This enhancement is particularly valuable for missions in remote areas or challenging conditions, where emergency landings may not be immediately feasible. Sikorsky has dedicated extensive resources to validating the reliability of this gearbox, conducting over 800 hours of rigorous flight testing. These extensive tests underscore the durability of the system, ensuring it meets the highest standards of performance. The gearbox is set to receive FAA certification in 2025, paving the way for its widespread adoption across the commercial helicopter industry. The S-92 has long been a preferred aircraft for industries requiring dependable and high-endurance helicopters, such as offshore energy, government transport, and search and rescue operations. The introduction of the Phase 4 gearbox further strengthens its position as a go-to platform for these sectors. The enhanced reliability of the gearbox ensures that operators can maintain schedules with minimal disruptions, reducing downtime and associated costs. Offshore energy operations, where the S-92 is extensively used, stand to gain significantly from this technological leap. With the increasing need for safe and efficient transportation to deep-water platforms, the enhanced gearbox provides the necessary dependability to support these critical missions. Given that S-92 helicopters typically log over 1,500 flight hours annually in offshore operations, the Phase 4 gearbox is expected to play a crucial role in maintaining seamless operations. Sikorsky has invested over $100 million in the development of the Phase 4 main gearbox, reinforcing its commitment to advancing rotorcraft technology. This substantial investment not only highlights the company's dedication to enhancing the S-92 fleet but also ensures that the helicopter remains a leader in its category for years to come. In addition to the new gearbox, Sikorsky has rolled out several other enhancements to the S-92 platform, including extended inspection intervals and a one-time life extension for select gearbox housings. These upgrades reduce maintenance requirements and extend aircraft service life, allowing operators to maximize operational efficiency. The Life Extension Initiative, which can add up to 1,200 additional flight hours or 3,600 flight cycles, translates to an extra 12 to 18 months of use for helicopters operating in offshore environments. The unveiling of the Phase 4 gearbox reaffirms Sikorsky's dedication to innovation and safety in helicopter aviation. As the demand for highly reliable and long-range helicopters continues to grow, this latest advancement sets a new benchmark for the industry. The forthcoming FAA certification will further cement its status as a vital upgrade for commercial helicopter operations. Beyond its commercial applications, the S-92 also plays a pivotal role in military and search and rescue missions. The helicopter's robust design, coupled with its newly enhanced gearbox, makes it a versatile platform for high-stakes missions requiring maximum safety and operational efficiency. With this latest enhancement, Sikorsky continues to push the boundaries of helicopter performance, ensuring that the S-92 remains a trusted asset for operators worldwide.